Hey everyone, welcome back to Faster Cars channel, where we dive deep into all things automotive. Today, we're looking ahead to one of the most exciting commercial vehicles coming our way, the 2026 Ford Transit. And trust me, this isn't just any update. It's shaping up to be a game changer for businesses and eco-conscious drivers alike. So, when can you get your hands on the 2026 Ford Transit? Mark your calendars because it's set to hit dealerships in fall 2025. And that's right, just around the corner. Now, here's the deal. While the gas-powered version will likely stay pretty much the same, no major redesign there, the real star of the show is the next generation ETransit. This electric variant is getting some serious upgrades that could make it one of the best commercial EVs on the market. For starters, let's talk about where it's being built. Unlike its predecessor, which was assembled in Kansas City, the 2026 ETransit will roll off the line at Ford's Ohio assembly plant. It's not just a new location, it's symbolic of Ford doubling down on their commitment to electrification. But what makes this ETransit so special? Well, rumor has it that they're installing new battery cells starting mid-2025, which means the range might get a nice bump. For businesses relying on these vans day in and day out, more range equals fewer charging stops. And that's huge! Let's step inside now, because whether you're driving the gas-powered Transit or the ETransit, you're going to notice some big changes. All 2026 models are expected to come equipped with a brand new electronic architecture. What does that mean for you? Faster processing speeds, better connectivity, and overall smoother tech integration. Oh, and check this out. You'll have access to an 8-inch digital instrument cluster paired with a massive 12-inch infotainment screen. Running Ford's latest Sync 4 software, this system supports wireless Apple CarPlay and Android Auto. So no matter how long your route is, staying connected has never been easier. One thing Ford knows how to do well is cater to its customers, and the 2026 Transit lineup is no exception. With demand for electric commercial vehicles skyrocketing, Ford's Pro division is making sure that ETransit stays versatile enough to handle everything from last-mile deliveries to mobile workshops. And hey, if hybrids or additional EV variants are introduced, as rumors suggest, that would only add to the Transit's appeal. Imagine having multiple powertrain options tailored to different needs. Talk about flexibility! So why should you care about the 2026 Ford Transit? Whether you're running a small business or managing a large fleet, this van is designed to save you time, money, and hassle. Better tech, improved efficiency, and expanded electric options mean the 2026 Transit is ready to meet the demands of modern life head-on. Plus, let's not forget the environmental impact. As cities push for cleaner transportation solutions, the ETransit positions itself as a leader in sustainable mobility without sacrificing performance. There you have it, the scoop on the 2026 Ford Transit. From its cutting-edge tech to its enhanced electric capabilities, this van is poised to redefine what we expect from commercial vehicles. If you're excited about the future of vans, or just love staying ahead of the curve, make sure to hit that subscribe button and turn on notifications so you don't miss any updates. Let us know in the comments below. Are you team gas-powered Transit, or are you ready to go fully electric? I'd love to hear your thoughts.